In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom keyboard shortcuts, command aliases, in AutoCAD. If you've ever wished a command could be just a keystroke away, command aliases are exactly what you need. They let you type a short, memorable shortcut that triggers a full AutoCAD command, helping you work faster and more consistently. We'll start by opening the place where aliases are managed. With your drawing open, go to the command line and type Alias Edit, then press Enter. This opens the Edit Aliases dialog box, which is a safe, built-in editor for the aliases file. Think of it as your control center for creating and maintaining shortcuts without having to manually edit configuration files. Inside the Edit Aliases dialog, you'll see existing shortcuts and their associated commands. To create a new one, click Add. This creates a new row where you can define your custom alias. In the alias field, type the shortcut you want to use. Keep it short and logical so it's easy to remember. For example, you might choose L for line, or perhaps LL if you want to avoid overriding a default. If an alias already exists, AutoCAD will show it in the list so you can decide whether to keep the default or make your own. A simple rule of thumb is to avoid conflicts with shortcuts you already rely on and choose letter combinations that match how you think about the tool. Next, assign the command that the shortcut will run. In the macro field, type the full command name exactly as AutoCAD recognizes it. For drawing a line, that would be line. It's important to use the real command name here, not an existing alias. For example, use line rather than L, circle rather than C, and so on. This ensures your custom alias points directly to the command you want and avoids chaining aliases together. Once you've set the alias and the macro, save the alias in the dialog. Saving writes your new shortcut to the aliases file, and it's ready for use. From now on, when you type your alias in the command line and press Enter, AutoCAD will run the command you assigned. If you ever want to adjust or remove it, simply return to Alias Edit, find your entry, and edit or delete it as needed. That's all there is to it. By taking a minute to create clear, conflict-free aliases, you'll streamline your workflow and keep your hands moving efficiently. Customize thoughtfully, save your changes, and enjoy the speed boost in your everyday drafting.